Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a website on Hostinger. First, you will need to select a suitable hosting plan from Hostinger's offerings, perhaps a premium shared hosting plan for excellent value. Next, choose a memorable domain name that truly reflects your brand or project. Finally, complete the straightforward registration process to establish your Hostinger account, gaining access to all the powerful tools you will need to begin your online journey. Once your account is ready, you have two main paths for building. You can use Hostinger's one-click auto-installer to quickly set up popular content management systems like WordPress, which powers over 40% of all websites. Alternatively, for a simpler approach, leverage the intuitive Hostinger website builder. Both options are easily accessible through your powerful H-panel, which serves as your central hub for managing every aspect of your new site. Now for the creative part. Choose from hundreds of professional themes or templates available, ensuring it perfectly aligns with your website's purpose and aesthetic. Dive into customization by adjusting colors, fonts, and layouts to truly reflect your unique brand identity. Remember to add crucial pages such as About Us, Contact, and Services to provide visitors with all the necessary information about your offerings. Before going live, thoroughly review all your content, links, and functionality to ensure everything works perfectly. Once satisfied, hit that Publish button to make your website accessible to the world. Don't forget to implement basic search engine optimization, or SEO, practices to help people find your site. Continuously monitor its performance and make regular updates to keep it fresh and engaging for your audience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.